Now it's time to learn this timeline. First of all, I don't need this one, so I will delete it. So click on it and then hit delete. Now there's some shortcuts that you need to know. For example, this is the video up there and this is the audio. What if we want to zoom? Okay, we simply hit plus like this and then plus again, plus till you zoom like this, for example, whatever you like. But what if I wanna zoom out? Okay, simply hit minus. So minus like this till you reach the shape you want. Alright, but there's another shortcut to fill the whole timeline. Simply hit the keyboard key just above the enter, which is backslash, like this, so it will fill the timeline in front of you. Here, this is video and this is the audio. As you see here, all of this part of the video has no sound. Okay, I started talking right here, so I don't need this. Then the next step is to learn how to cut parts of my video and delete the unneeded parts.